saved his life, bro.
What happened?
He had the disconnect logo on there because the RTX 4060 is quickly Oh man, I'm not gonna f***ing do it. All right.
He was smiling because he knew.
The RTX 4060 is quickly climbing to the top of the #1 GPU use. Yes, I'm just f***ing, yep. 4060 is quickly climbing to be the number, no, that sounds weird. 4060 quickly rising to the top. Steam chart?
Yeah, no one based on Steam chart. I mean, most people based on Steam charts. So.
Okay. We wanted to figure out how cheaply we could build using that card.
And of course, this build guide is sponsored by our friends at Alex.
This is not gonna last long if we do
All right.
All right, where are we at?
See how many times I can get it this time.
Oh, we plugged up the speakers.
Oh, that'd be crazy. All right. So today we're gonna be building a PC that. Damn it! I'm so. Dude, I'm going crazy, man. All right. Jonah's cheesing so hard.
Because I'm like in a simulation right now. I think I'm on a walkie-talkie.
Yeah. RTX 4060.
The RTX 4060 is quickly climbing to the top of the Steam charts as the #1. I was doing it.
I wasn't though.
This is making it worse, McAllister.
Help!
Sorry, I didn't mean to blow your eardrum out.
Yeah, y'all can't scream anymore. My ears are.
Oh, is it loud? My bad.
Yeah, it's kind of loud.
All right. Did you restart again? How did I hear it? We're gonna be partying together a gaming PC that. Damn it, dude. Why? Where am I going? I don't know. I'm not like the transition's not working. The RTX 40. Like I've said this 800 times. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Let's build using that graphics card.
And I'm some gaming. Jesus Christ.
Can I finally talk about the parts?
God.
If it's broken, it's Jonah's fault.
When building a PC, are you going AMD, NVIDIA, or Intel?
Shut the f up. No, it's fine. Jonah, I'm recording. Shut up. Yes, and it's actually real.
Yes, this.
Jonah, I kept seeing each.
I know. I was like, oh, he's so annoying. He's so annoying.
Okay.
Download more FPS, and it works.
And it's.
What's happening?
I don't know what that was.
God, he moves so much. You remember when he made fun of me for moving? And look at him now. All right, anyways, all right. No, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
He's trying to do the.
I'm sorry.
It's a.
I know, I get it. I'm messing up in my head. All right.
You don't change in like the actual time.
No, I know. It's called Boca.
No. Focus. Okay. Go ahead.
This guy's so stupid.
I don't went to photography school, so.
Did he though?
I took photography class in college.
He said he went to photography school. All right. All right.
I had the GRE on the mind.
And for those of you who don't know, Windows is slowly pushing. And for those of you who don't know, particularly. I'm good. All right. And for those of you who don't know, they are.
Who's that?
Yeah, I know. That's
Who
why
is
I'm
that?
God. I almost fell apart again, so I'm glad we got that out. Cooler.
Before any repairs get picked up.
Picked up multiple.
Okay.
Came in.
Did you knock out? Did you close the tickets?
Huh? Yep. Besides, you can go ahead and just close this out if you want. I mean. Yeah. Okay.
I saw I left the voicemail.
Gotcha. Yeah. Shit.
I took the deal for that.
So.
Any fun facts?
Wait, what the f***'s going on? I looked over.
I don't know. He wanted me to. Fun facts on a liquid cooler?
Why?
He's looking at me weird. I don't know.
I did a B-roll for it, but I wanted views, but it's.
The motherboard.
The motherland.
Coming in at 239, we have this very nice motherboard. The coming 670 Elite AX. Is that weird? Should I redo that?
Sure.
Okay. Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite. I read this. Yeah, all right. Coming in at 239, we have an awesome motherboard, the Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite. Look, Jonah's looking at me. He's laughing.
Jonah, what are you doing?
I know. I'm in shambles. Are you ready? I'm ready if you are.
It's 216.
260. Oh, we got plenty of time. It's not even 2:30 yet. Coming in at $239, we have this Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite. That means. Yeah, I know. I was gonna say that means that's why I finally forgot it. Okay.
Why does it stop my shaking?
What is that?
That's the intro you did after you came back from your drinking.
Oh.
And you're like, it's drinking so bad, why does it stop my shaking?
All right, it's $94. What the f? All right. We get a hell of a deal on this RAM. This right here is Team Force Vulcan.
Did you say Team Force?
Oh, did I? Team Force.
I heard Team Force.
Oh. All right, hold on. John has to take his clothes off
You're
now.
stripping down. I'm so sorry, McAllister.
Could either change the number or set that up.
'2024 has been a crazy year from PC Bros. 2024 has been a crazy year for PC Bros, our PC selling business, from stuff like this happening.
You're right, Jake. Not yet. Not yet.
I don't know.
All right, listen. Whenever I start talking, then go. Okay. I know. We should have told you. I'm sorry.
You start walking right when there'd be B-roll over the.
All right.
Stuff like Jake happening.
all right.
Every day.
Yeah, we're just messing with you. You're good.
It didn't have to make sense.
You can hold the F on.
Jesus Christ.
Thanks.
Hold it.
Both mics good? Yep. All right. Ah! Yeah, but if drinking's so bad, why does it stop my shaking?
And then we're gonna take our motherboard and cooler, holding it just like this. I love this Arctic cooler not having all these extra cables that need to run behind the board.
Normally, I would tell you guys to, you know your cooler's all the one if you can pick it up by the cooler, but obviously it's held on by magnets.
It's okay, redo, back up. And Jonah just looked at me in such a weird way. I felt very uncomfortable.
I just wanted to see how awkward I can make it.
Next. Wait, let's look at McAllister real quick, deep into his soul.
Wait, let's make sure this works. Oh, this, I thought you meant like go all the way in the room and like.
All right, so that's it next.